host. Hello, everyone, and welcome to English for Life, the place where we make learning English simple, practical, and enjoyable every single day. I'm Olivia. I'm here to help you speak English with more confidence, fluency, and joy. I will speak slow and clearly, so you can follow easily and repeat after me. In today's episode, we're going to talk about something very important and practical, how to practice everything, even if you are busy, even if you feel shy, even if you feel serious, even if you don't see in English. Speaking as many people think they need to move to America or the UK to speak English well. But that's not true. You don't need to live abroad. You don't need a native speaker beside you all the time. And you don't need to study for hours every day. What you really need are small, smart, daily habits that fit naturally in your life. Habits that help you feel more comfortable and confident when using English. So let's begin. First, let's talk about the most powerful techniques in language learning. Shadowing. Shadowing is a simple but extremely effective method to improve both your listening and speaking at the same time. It's very easy. You listen to a person speaking English and repeat exactly what they say at the same time or right after them. You copy their speed, their tone, their rhythm, and their pronunciation like an echo. Let's try it together right now. I'll say a sentence and you repeat after me. I want to speak English confidently. Now you repeat. I practice English every day. Now you repeat. Shadowing helps me improve quickly. Now you repeat. Great job. That's shadowing. At first, it might feel a little strange, and you may not understand every word. That's completely okay. Shadows isn't about understanding everything immediately. It's about training your ears, your brain, and your mouth to work together in English. If view this, even for to 30 minutes a day, you will notice your pronunciation. Your speaking becoming smoother. Your speaking becoming smoother, and your confidence growing. Now, here are simple and set races to practice English every day in your real life. Tip 1. Listen to English every day. Listening is the foundation. Try to listen a little bit every day, not just once a week. You can listen to podcasts like this one, English songs, YouTube videos, or short stories for learners. You don't need to understand chum fan chum. Even if you understand Bamuf Numui fan chums, it's still very useful. Listen while walking, cooking, exercising, or commuting. Make English part of your daily background. Tip high, shadow what you hear. After listening, repeat what you hear. Copy the speaker's voice. For example, I'm getting better at English every day. Repeat. Small steps lead to big progress. Repeat. The more you shadow, the more natural your English will sound. Tip ba, think in English. Start thinking simple thoughts in English. When you wake up, say in your mind, it's morning. I feel sleepy. I need a cup of coffee. When you go outside, The sky is blue. The weather is nice today. This helped your brain connect direct to English, direct to English, without translating from your native language. Tip 1. Read aloud. Reading silently is good, but reading aloud is much better for speaking. Choose short, easy texts, children's stories, simple dialogues, or articles for beginners. Read slowly first, then faster, and add emotion. This trains your speaking muscles and improves pronunciation. Tip 9. Use English in your real daily life. Make English part of your lifestyle, not just study time. Here are some easy ideas. Change your phone language to English. Write a short diary in English every day, just num sentences. Record a minute voice message about your day. Join English learning groups on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Facebook. Watch short videos on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram and repeat the sentences. Remember, you don't need a lot of time. You just need to be consistent. Turn small daily actions into English practice. Your phone time, your thoughts, and your voice. When you do this regularly, English will no longer feel like homework. It will become a natural part of your life. And that's exactly when real fluency begins. Thank you so much for watching and listening today. You enjoy this episode, please enjoy this episode. Subscribe to English for Life and subscribe to English for Life and turn on a notification bell so you don't miss new lessons. Now, it's your turn. In the comments section, tell me, what is one thing you will do today to practice English? I read every comment and I can't wait to see yours. See you in the next episode. Keep practicing and stay motivated. Goodbye, everyone.